First announcement is, if I asked you to bring a costume or a piece of a costume, I need to have it by Monday. Nobody has brought me anything, therefore this whole weekend I will not be able to.
Me too.
So
I have my double X shirt.
y'all are gonna be
Daddy?
gentlemen.
Hey!
Is your name on it?
Ah,
That's no, your name on it.
that's perfect. This is the brand I want. I told you to buy a brown shirt. Perfect. Okay. Put all your stuff in one bag. Look at my list. Do you want them really big like that? Yes. Yes.
Tell them the space that actually have.
Second thing is my New York peaks. I need your correct forms that I gave y'all yesterday. Is that Tuesday? Yeah. Do you have it? No, I can't have it.
Can I call my love in?
What are we supposed to have? I'm gonna get good out.
Yes, you can.
All I need is your medical form.
Oh, okay.
You ain't got it?
If you don't have it, you can get it to me on Monday.
Huh?
Okay, but just don't forget.
I don't think I had it anymore.
I just do it now.
Third thing. Listen. Remember on Monday we are immediately after school. I don't mind if y'all go to the pit stop or if you want to bring food or something. I'm not worrying about your dinner on Monday or Tuesday because my focus is getting these shows ready and up and running to go. So if you are worried about your own dietary needs, then you need to take care of that Monday and Tuesday. I am not going to have a dinner break. We are not going to stop and order dinner. We are going to work until it gets done. Okay?
How long are we staying for?
Until it gets done.
Well, then we ain't gonna leave.
I have a question.
Until it gets done.
Okay, no, that just means don't at all.
That means remember all the things.
Don't sink me when you come.
It means number one, you're gonna probably be late Monday and Tuesday night. So if you have homework and junk, when you're not doing anything, you need to be doing your homework and junk. I am not going to receive any emails from teachers using theater rehearsal as an excuse for not studying or not doing your homework. That is not an excuse, okay? Y'all have had this rehearsal on your schedule since October. You need to take care of your business. You're all old enough to do that, okay?
I have a question.
Yes.
What if, with like 3:05 for when it starts?
I said you can go to pit stop, and as
Yeah.
soon as everybody gets back, then we'll start.
Which place
Don't y'all get there later?
Which place go?
I don't know.
I think they do it after.
Monday?
So are both the places at the same time?
Yeah.
Both the places at the same time?
Yes. We're all at the same
I
time.
used to have like a
Like I want to go home first and get a snack. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Yes.
Just bring some money and somebody can bring it to the stop.
Any other questions
I gotta
about
feed animals too.
I can take
Gotta feed all our
it.
pets too.
I can feel like 8 people.
I've gotta feed all our pets at home.
Is that what
It's
Like, well, it's just like 1 minute and then I'll be right
I will
back.
be able to give y'all like about an hour notice so you can call your rides if you need to. I don't know how late it's gonna be.
I need some money.
So,
I need to sell ants.
if you want people to bring you food, I'd have no problem with that on Monday and Tuesday. But it will not interrupt my rehearsal process. Okay? Remember, you are not to leave the commons area. You are not to leave backstage unless you need to go to the bathroom. If you need to go somewhere else, you need to come and tell me. You are not allowed to roam around the school. Okay? I thought that was kind of understood, but apparently I was wrong. Do not leave the area during school or when we have after-school rehearsal. Okay? Because I am not about getting in trouble. I like to follow the rules. When I was your age, I didn't, and I got over it. Now I like to be good and be on the good side of the people that run
I
this
think she's lying
so they give me stuff
about being good now.
and give me money when I ask them to. What else did I need to tell y'all? Whoever's doing that stuff. We need to finish drawing today. Claudel, I want you not drawing, I want you running your line. If you are not drawing and or painting, you need to be running your line. When I ask you to do something, I expect that you do it. Don't just walk away and say, oh, I'm going to do it 5 minutes later. Because I asked people to do stuff yesterday, and when I went there after school, it did not get done. I am not going to keep anyone during second block today, because I have other things I need to do. We need to get paintbrushes cleaned out at like 10 minutes to 9. Okay?
And about the paintbrushes, do let everybody know that's not like a 2 or 3 person job.
Right. I need like 5 people to go do that, because it's a lot of paintbrushes. Okay? And I don't like the same people doing it all the time. If I could leave y'all, I'd go out there and do it myself. But I can't leave you and go all the way out there.
Is it more than one
Not that I know of. Well, I'm asking for one to be installed like right over there for us, just for our purposes. But you know how that goes. We're so important.
You should ask
Me,
a
we
lot.
are, but
What if you get like a bucket?
If you ask a lot, they'll get annoyed, do it. I've learned that before. It works.
I'll get a piano. Okay, let's go to the stage. Hannah, I need to.
Wow. Now we're talking. That's Disney. Where are we going to do?
We can get a little mop bucket with cheese.
It's like my favorite thing. I was just